In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change your age on your Snapchat account. So to change your age on your Snapchat account is a very simple thing to do. So the first thing you will want to do is head over to your Snapchat app. Once you open up Snapchat, you will be on your camera screen here, and what you need to do now is head over to your profile by clicking on your avatar in the top left hand corner of your screen. Click on your avatar and then you will be on your profile, and here is where you can click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Once you click on that, as you can see, there will be an option for birthday, and if you click on this will allow you to change your age. So if you click on the date of birth, and then you can go ahead and scroll through the dial wheel here, and then once you are happy with this, you can now click on continue. But please bear in mind, guys, that you can only change this a limited number of times. So if you're happy with this, what you can do is click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you can review your age here, and if you are happy, you can click on OK. And then what that will do is it will change your age on your Snapchat account. So if this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.